So today let us learn about describing words. And before starting what are describing words, let us watch a small video. Shall we? Shall we watch a small video on describing words? Yes, very good. So let's start now. I'm going to share the screen. Are you able to hear the voice? Okay, good.
Describing words, adjectives. Adjectives are
Describing words are also called as adjectives. You have to remember that, okay? Sometimes in exam, it is asked like adjectives, or sometimes it is asked like a describing word. So you should not confuse, okay? So describing words are also called as adjectives. You give, I will keep afterwards.
describing words. They tell us more about a person, animal, place, or thing. For example, 2 chocolates, yellow butterfly, big car, round table. Here the words 2, yellow, big and round are describing the nouns chocolates, butterfly, car and table. Words used for numbers, colors, size and shape are adjectives. 2 tells about the number of chocolates. Yellow tells about the color of the butterfly. Big tells about the size of the car. Round tells about the shape of the table. Adjectives describe feelings as well. For example, an angry frog. Adjectives mostly come before noun.
So children, did you understand what are describing words? See, describing words are also called as adjectives. Okay. They describe a person, animal, or a place. They also describe the shape, color, okay? See, the colors, shapes of a thing is also called a describing word. Clear? What are describing words? Describing words which describe a person, animal, place, or sometimes our feelings, emotions also. Like how you are, sad, happy, angry. Okay? So, these are all the describing words. Now, you all open course book page number 9. Open course book page number 9. See there, children. we have few describing words in a box. Word sort. Yes, we have a sheet below. You see there are few describing words. Playground, school, trees, cold, quiet, sweet, hot, fast, red, tasty, fat, little, boy, tall, friend, mouse, fish, temple, good, green, kind. These are all the words. We have few words here, and what you have to do now, you have to find out the describing words from the box, and you have to circle there. Okay, you have to circle the describing words. There are few nouns also. Don't circle the nouns, right? Or children, what do you think? All the words which are given in the box are the describing words? Are they all describing words? No. We have nouns also, right? We have nouns even. Names, yes. Names of some animals or some things are also given there. So what you have to do now, you have to find out few describing words from the box, and you have to circle them. Are you ready?
Yes.
Come on. You have only 2 minutes. Do it now and tell me what are the words you have circled.
Miss, playground is not a describing word.
Yes. You circle all the describing words first. Very good. Cold is a describing word. Now, school. Is school a describing word? No. Very good. You show thumb, Tarini. Yeah, very good. So next one we have sweet. Sweet. Yes. Janvi, sweet is a describing word. Okay. Yes. Sweet is a describing word. Very good. Yes. Next one. Hot. Hot. Yes. Very good. Hot is a describing word. Circle it. Quiet. Describing word. Yes. That's describing word. Tarini is giving a cute smile. Next one. Fast. Yes. Yes, that's a describing word. Tasty. Tasty, describing word. Okay. Red. Yes. Yes, describing word. Circulate. And mouse. Yes, it's not a describing word. It's a name of a animal, small creature. Fat. Fat. Yes, good. Fat is a describing word. Little. Little. Yes, describing word. Boy. Boy. No, it's not a describing word. It's a noun. Okay. Tall. Tall. Yes, describing word. Friend. No, it's a common noun. It's a noun. Okay. Green. Yes, describing word. Green. It is describing what color is the object. So green is good. Okay, next one, good. Good. Yes, good is also a describing word. Very good. And next one, fish. Fish. No. No. Okay, temple. No. Kind. K-I-N-D, kind. Yes, it's a describing word. Very good. How is the man? How is that person? He is very kind to the children. Yes, so kind is describing the character of the person. Kind. So that is a describing word. Done? Yes, children? Very good. Can you show me your books now? Everyone, can you show me your books? Wow, good, good, good. Good, everyone, good, good. Yes, yes. Okay, fine. Very good, children. Put it down. Very good, nice. Yes, Sai Ritvik Reddy, you raised hand. What is your doubt, beta?
Ma'am, you have to circle tasty also.
Yes. That is also a describing word. Okay, fine, children. Now, one more bit you have to do and test whether you know the describing words or not. Which describing words we have to use to complete the given sentences? Check it out. The soup is... Unmute yourself and tell me the soup is...
Hot.
Hot? Okay, hot. Come on. The soup is hot. I saw a dash squirrel run up the tree.
I saw fast squirrel run up the tree.
No, you see there, you have to pick some describing words from the box, from the above box. You have to pick
Fast.
fat. Squirrels are not fat. Little, you can take little. Yeah, you have to pick few describing words from the given box. So I saw a little squirrel run up the tree. This is a dash tower.
Tall tower.
Very good. Tall tower. Next one. We ate dash sandwiches.
Sandwich.
Yeah, tasty. Very good. Yes. Akshara Reddy, what's your doubt, beta? Unmute yourself. Okay. Next one. Huh.
Cold. Drink cold chocolate.
Yeah, yes. I love to drink cold chocolate milkshake.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is first one?
You read the sentence.
The soup is dash
The soup is, how is the soup? You tell me.
hot.
Yeah, hot.
Ma'am, second one is tall, no?
You read the sentence. I saw a dash squirrel.
Run up the tree.
Little squirrel. Very good, children. Now, we forgot to put date and CW on the page. Please put it. Today date is 8-3. 8-3 and put CW also on the top. 8-3.
Ma'am, what is the first one, ma'am?
First one.
Third one.
Third one. This is a dash tower. What you will write there? How is the tower? Tall. Very good. Right there. And now, children, you have one homework. So, open course book page number 12. Course book page number 12.
Yes.
Write date and HW there.
Yes. That's what is stop.
You have to describe the following picture. 5 describing words you have to write for the given picture. Sentence with that describing word.
The rain is falling now little.
It's raining. The rain will not fall. That's wrong. So you have to tell it's raining heavily.
It's raining.
It's raining. Okay.
Okay. It's raining little.
Okay. Or it's drizzling. Okay. Raining. Good. Any other child? Any other child? Yes. Tanvisri raised hand. Yes, beta.
Umbrella color is red.
Yes, the umbrella color, instead of that you write the sentence like this. The color of the umbrella is red. Okay, very good. Any other child want to share any sentence? Come on. Ketana, you want to share?
Yes.
Come on.
It is very cold.
It is very cold. Yeah, as it is raining, it is very cold. Very good, Ketana. Yes, Manha.
Green man.
Yes.
Green.
Green. Can you use that green in your sentence?
The color of shirt is green.
Very good. Very good, Manha. Yes, Janvi.
Yellow raincoat. A boy was wearing yellow raincoat.
Yes, a boy was wearing a yellow raincoat. Very good. So you understood what is the homework, children? Clear? The homework is clear? You have to write first 5 describing words and then write 2 complete sentences there. Okay.